Hey guys, what's up? It's Lipsticknick, Morphe's Director of Global Artistry, and today we're doing something very special. I'm in the studio with James Charles and Cassie.
Hello.
It's not going to be a traditional sips and shades. We are going to have a blind taste test with some sips from Starbucks, but then later we're going to do a little beauty battle moment. So you're going to get to pick what colors Cassie and I both use on you, and we're going to do a little makeup look.
I'm excited.
Slash
I
challenge.
feel like this will be good and also simultaneously very fresh. Like I feel like I know my Starbucks drinks. Like I feel like there's nothing that you guys can put in front of me that I'm like, what's this?
Okay, well we're gonna see.
And I'm gonna eat my words, and that clip right there.
We're gonna sip your words.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm excited because I usually get the same drink every single day for the past years. Yeah, oh yeah, of course. So let's get started. I want to see how well we know our Starbucks drinks, and then after that we're gonna see
how well we know
your face.
The mini palette.
And the mini
Okay, let's go. I feel like I've been.
So what we're gonna do is we're all gonna put our blindfolds on.
Great.
And then we're gonna have a helpful member of our Morphe staff here. They're gonna hand us a drink because if we see the color of the drink first that we're drinking, I feel like that would give it away, right?
I'm ready.
Okay, we're ready.
Let me start it off.
All right, kick it off.
Okay.
So you just let that sit in your mouth.
I definitely know
for a
what
second.
this is. Okay, Nicole, I'm giving this to you.
Wait, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, yep. Oh, I love that one. Cassie, I know you can't see what I'm doing, but
got it. Also looking for the hole.
Turn it around.
Forward. Oh, okay, I found it.
It was a group effort.
Oh yeah, I know what that is.
1, 2, 3.
Matcha.
Green tea,
The green.
black tea.
Yeah, I was gonna say Earl Grey and matcha.
Yeah, it's like a mixture of Earl Grey.
It's the green
Earl
one.
Grey, Earl Grey.
Me.
Earl Grey's brother. We love him.
Okay, it's the green drink.
Is it to me or James?
No, I have it.
James. Observatory. I'm ready to receive it. My hand is open.
Oh,
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Cassie, it's coming your way.
okay.
You still had it the whole time?
You never passed it to me. I had to get it on my own. It was like a scavenger hunt. I had to like go find it. I'll take it.
Okay.
I call that one for later.
I can't really figure out what that is, but
I know what it is.
Dang it,
It's the dragon fruit drink. Got it. There you go.
After that last one, this one's like so sweet.
do we say on a 1, 2, 3?
Yep, 1, 2, 3. Pink
Pink
drink.
drink.
Huh. Did you guys switch the lid?
Ooh. Sneaky.
I feel like I've been tricked. And handing this to you.
Here we go. Oh, our fingers touched.
I love that for us.
Oh no, I know exactly what this is.
Really?
Well, okay,
Coming
it
at ya.
tastes like orange juice,
Uh-huh.
which makes you believe it's the yellow one,
Yeah.
but the yellow one had a straw.
No, they changed it. They had
So
to
they had to
change
change
That's
it.
definite.
So the-
One more.
Okay, last one.
Wait, but I need to know what. Oh, we don't find out to the end.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. I can't wait to see what that is.
Here, I'm handing this to you.
Okay.
What do I just? It tastes
All right,
some like
glass coming down.
Okay,
maybe
got
some
it.
Earl Grey chai.
It kind of leaves that taste on your tongue, like in your upper mouth.
Try coconut milk and a hint of orange juice.
What?
What, girl?
Oh, that's your
the-
aftertaste.
That's the aftertaste from the. Let's
Ready?
take our masks off.
Whew. Oh, we were right. My
Yeah.
eyeball is
I'm
squished.
also crying.
Oh, was it that emotional for you?
Yeah.
It was
We've
hard.
been through a lot. It
It was-
was, it was
oh
a
my
lot.
God. Do we get them all right?
Yes, you did.
Woo! All right, you guys. Now that we have finished, all right, you guys. Now that we have finished. Now that we have finished. Now that we have finished.
Now that we have finished sipping the rainbow drinks,
We're gonna grab the new mini James Charles X Morphe palette. Woo! Yippee doo!
yay!
In honor of the rainbow drinks and the rainbow palette, same iconic 39 beautiful shades as were in the original palette, just shrunk and travel friendly for everybody's kits. We're gonna be playing a fun little game today where basically I am going to close my eyes and we're gonna really spin it around and I'm going to tap my finger on 4 different shades, and then Cassie and Nicole are gonna split my face in half and have 30 minutes to create a beautiful look using those 4 shades. Guys, like just move the paper around a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, spooky
Spooky.
Ouija board. Spirits, are you there?
Ooh, you got 518.
Okay. I like a bright orange.
Mhm.
My hometown area code.
Spins. Make those hands up. Daddy. Okay.
Okay. Ew, green and orange.
I'm into it.
I'm not. That
Very Halloween. This is gonna be wild. No beans. It's like very it's like haunted.
Well, we have the
that's
dirt
a good
now.
combination.
This is pretty. What?
We have the dirt where it's
This is the dirt under the carrot. Where it grows.
well, forget the look on his eyes.
Let's just do hand art.
Yeah.
That's the challenge.
This is like pumpkin patch right there. Yeah, I'm ready.
Last color.
Okay. Last color, let's add to the pumpkin patch. What else could be in here? Perhaps a black for a nice scarecrow. Or like a nice yellow for a nice ear of corn growing alongside of the pumpkins if it was a crop field. Love that.
Okay.
Oh!
Ooh.
A magenta?
Honestly, can work with it.
Oh yeah. That's
That's
pretty.
actually kind of a pretty color combination
Yeah,
altogether.
All right, so we are gonna go get some materials and we'll be right back.
Okay, 30 minutes on the clock. Cassie's starting off with the brows.
Get a little brow moment.
Are you using punch between the brows?
Mhm.
That's a light color for my eyebrows. Well, I'm
She's
blonde.
blonde.
You're blonde
True,
now.
True.
Wait, I'm doing half your nose.
Oh my god. Okay, do you guys have like a game plan for?
No.
0.
Great, that's really good. That makes me feel really happy as a client and the person's gonna have to wear this.
I'm using my left hand. This is so hard.
You are so brave, Nicole.
I know.
What is one reason why you guys are excited for the new palette?
Travel, first of all.
Yeah.
I never want to bring my big palette anywhere because I'm so scared that it's going to break.
I feel like it's just such
Yeah.
a cute little gift.
Oh
Like,
yeah.
Well, and it's like literally the cutest thing you ever did see. Like, that's so cute.
It really is.
It really
They're
is.
so cute.
Cassie, I feel like I've seen you wear green eyes a lot, so I feel like this shouldn't be a struggle. Because I feel like you always wear green eyes with like a brown
Well,
transition.
Yeah, like, I think it's not so much that, it's the orange that's throwing me off.
Yeah.
Like, either the green and the pink will work together or the green and the orange, but like all 4.
And can I go in with your eyebrow? Okay. Oh, Cassie, you're looking so beautiful.
Oh my god, don't even
Damn.
lie to me like that.
Hurt.
I'm so excited.
So like in pain.
My eyes
You
are
look so
so
like.
dude, so I'm like really concerned. I'm already blind. How much worse can this get, honestly? Oh my god.
Blushing it up. Okay, we can use highlighter.
Yeah.
No.
What are your guys' favorite colors from the palette?
My favorite is your kidding. Because
The
red's my
red?
color.
Yeah. Oh duh, of course.
My number 1 favorite is ring light. Because I use that
Really?
as like a highlight brow bone, lid color. Very versatile.
Be silent in that move.
Wait, what?
I was told to be silent in that move by your counterpart artist over here.
Oh! Wow. Drag me. Okay, this is getting out of control, this liner, so.
And I'm going to need you to look up for me.
Alright, sweetheart.
Oh, that was a good one. I needed that one.
I'm leaving a 0-star review on Yelp.
Oh my god, please don't.
Oh,
do
maybe we should do a
that.
video of that.
Yeah, going to my city's worst rated makeup artist. Hey guys, you're Lipsticknick.
Hey guys, you're lipstick Nick.
Oh my god.
4.5 minutes.
Oops. She said overline the house. Uh-huh.
Just slap it on.
Feel free to throw a little on this side.
Okay, girl, got you. I got you. There we go. Boom.
Ooh,
Sweetheart.
this looks bad.
Oh, I thought you were
just-
gonna say good!
No, let me see.
Honestly, I feel like we're both killing it.
I mean,
Okay.
oh no, 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 no.
Oh, I know what Nicole's gonna do with that little lash
Yeah?
cut off. Stick it
feel
right to the
that?
lower lash.
You feel
Sorry,
that?
sorry, sorry.
I know your artistry. I think this lash is not on.
Ooh, these lashes are actually really nice.
Right?
1 minute.
1 minute? Are you? There's a lot of things happening in my face.
I see something else I want to do.
10 seconds?
Oh, thank God.
You just tell us when you're ready.
First
to
of
see
all-
yourself.
It doesn't look as much as I thought.
It doesn't. It really doesn't.
Really?
It's kind of like Mardi Gras,
Yeah,
like a
Okay.
little Halloweeny Mardi Gras. So just keep that in your head when you're looking at this, because otherwise you're not gonna like it.
Okay, wait.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Ooh! Cassie! Wow, Nicole, that looks
Yeah.
bomb. Wow, you
Wow.
guys, this looks really, really good for 30 minutes. I think this looks absolutely bomb, and this is such a fun way to integrate a probably very, very unlikely color combination that nobody
Yeah.
would, and probably should.
We probably should
Never use.
Yeah.
But there are 39 other iconic shades in the palette which you can make incredible combinations with, and you guys should definitely try this out with your friends. Let us know what you think about the palette. Let us know what you think about their looks. Who do you think won this challenge?
And
Leave us a comment down below.
if you guys can recreate it with those 4 shades, we want to see you guys try.
I don't think we do, honestly.
I mean, do we
I
want
wanna-
to see? I would want to see. Yeah,
I would
let's-
want to see.
Hashtag Morphe babe if you guys want to show us your recreations of this look.
And tag me. I would love to see it.
Well, I had so much fun with you guys in the studio. Thank you for joining
My
us
two
today.
favorite and beautiful sisters. I would not want anybody to battle it out on my face other than you guys.
Thank you guys for joining, and until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye. Sisters.